after we've decided the makeup looks, that's what we did last year as well. We decided what the looks would be, and that's when the Dolce & Gabbana and the Anamika Khanna came into play. So now we've finalized these 3 looks, and we're going to work around these 3 looks to create 3 different, you know, 2 different looks actually this year to kind of showcase those looks. So it'll be a while, and if the jewelry goes, the jewelry goes. If not, then I'll have other instances to wear my mom's beautiful jewelry. L'Oréal Paris really pushes me in terms of this press conference and creating these looks and giving me really special days to walk the red carpet and giving me a lot of footage and coverage. I don't know, I'm pretty sure they value me, but I value the trust that they have in me to kind of represent them on a global platform. And it's very exciting that the media is as enthusiastic about me representing them, representing India on a global platform. So it's great. I think, I don't know about my own value, but people do value me, and I don't want to let them down on that. So I try to do my best. Last year I did it for the opening. I wore a lace sari with Indian embroidery, and it was made by Anamika Khanna. She's a Marwari designer who's from Calcutta. And she's very Indian, and her sari is very Indian, and I tried to wear a nose ring, and it got great reviews abroad, and it got great reviews in India as well. And I was very proud to wear a sari last year for the opening ceremony of Cannes. And this year again we're trying to do something, but it's going to be a surprise. I realized that a lot of people say a lot of things about me on the same show, but because I go with the spirit of the show, in every show someone has said something about me. But I never react to it, my fans never react to it, I don't comment on it, I don't make a big deal out of it. And I expect people to do the same, but for some strange reason, I make good copy. So people like to talk about things, and I'm okay with it as long as people are talking about me. We did a beautiful lipstick commercial, and I don't know if you guys have seen it, but there were like 10 of us in the lipstick commercial, and it was so exciting to meet everybody, and so exciting. I was so excited. I've met Julianne Moore, I've met all these like beautiful French models and French actresses and international actresses and actors, and you see that you realize that you're living in such a bubble, and the world is so big. And the bigger you are, the more humble you are, and more humility and modesty that you have. I thought it was one of the most, it's incredible. And they're all there for the brand, so everybody is like really having a good time. They're not stressed that it's my movie premiere or something like that. So we're just like being glamorous and movie stars and looking beautiful and having lots of champagne and having conversation. It's about Milkha Singh, and I tried to do my very best in the movie. And it's, I don't know, I guess Farhan Akhtar was Milkha and he was running. So he won the award and he did a great job, and Rakesh Mehra did a great job as well. This is his 3rd national award. He got a national award for Rang De, for Delhi 6, and now for Bhaag Milkha Bhaag. And I'm just really happy to be a part of award-winning films, including Ranjana and Bhaag Milkha.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.